Happy Thursday morning, dear viewers. I'm going to be showing you the Mini-CNC that I printed out. This is a design I found on Thingiverse, design number 187339. Originally, the design is for moving a pen around to draw, and I'm using this for ideas and concepts for the microscope project. So you have a couple pieces. These have to be printed out on a bigger printer. These silver pieces I printed out on my smaller Delta, but these two gears had to be printed on the bigger stuff. Here's the X, here's the Y, and then some other parts. It's a clever sort of idea. They have a gear there, and these interlocking blocks. This is the Y gear. The Y gear plops there like that. Okay. And on top of that, they press fit. Oh, and it's tight, and I haven't cleaned these parts up, so I don't think it's going to actually go together properly. Well, it kind of does. Get in there. Well, it's sort of there. But it'll be like that, right? So then you take a step. Not a stepper, I'm sorry. This is a servo motor. This is a tiny little servo motor. Servo motor is a geared motor that knows what position it's in, and typically it rotates 180 degrees. So it has a center point, then it goes left 90, right 90. Originally designed for model airplanes. Nice thing is these cheap ones are super duper cheap. So what will happen is one will go there, and the other will go there. One does that X, one does Y, and then this part gets, well, now that I've jammed it all together, it's not so wonderful. Maybe I needed to put this in first, but this one will drive the Y going this way, and then this one will drive the X. Okay. So what will happen is this whole unit will go back, forth, back, forth, back, forth, like that. And then this one will go like that. The original design had space here to hold a pen to draw, so it could make a little drawing. I'm thinking of repurposing it to mount a slide or something like that, or have some sort of assembly so I can move the slide around. I think this is going to be way too sloppy for my use, for the microscope use, and it has too much travel. I really don't need a lot of travel in the unit. In fact, I only really need what could be covered by a cover on a slide, which is probably no more than an inch or 2 centimeters X and Y. So my final design is probably going to be completely different from this, but I did want to illustrate this little unit in case you want to make your own.